After 2 days of intense standoff between the Congress, the DMK, both the parties today showed signs of a compromise. Hectic parleys are on, and it now seems that there could be a big breakthrough that could save seven-year-old alliance. Well, the deadlock actually between the Congress and its seven-year-old ally is still on, and we have reports coming in of heavy parleying between the two parties. The DMK leaders met Pranab Mukherjee and Ghulam Nabi Azad to try and come out to a consensus, and the DMK has said that they will announce their final decision by this evening.
DMK is not near negotiating. The Congress has come forward, and Pranab Mukherjee has talked to leader, and whatever it is, it will be known only by evening. We have not had this. Nothing has been decided so far. We have to sort out more than 13,000 applications. From tomorrow, there will be an interview for each and every candidate of the ticket seekers. They have to come forward to meet the leader and the committee. And about the we will be inquiring about the prospects of the particular candidate, and the interview will be going on from tomorrow onwards. That is why we are starting out we are making some arrangements.
In the meantime, Congress in charge of Tamil Nadu has said that there has been no progress in the deadlock, but wasn't really ruling out anything at this stage.
I would like to say that so far there's no progress, but we will see what will happen during the course of the day.
Prema Sridevi is reporting on the story and joining us live. Prema, what's the latest information that you are getting? There are reports that there is a last-ditch effort to save the alliance. What is the possibility that the alliance could actually sail through?
Well, the latest information that we have is that the meeting, just 10 minutes ago, the meeting in Azhagiri's house just got over. There was an internal meeting in Azhagiri's residence where all the 6 ministers were meeting, and they were also in touch with the DMK chief Karunanidhi over phone. Now, just 10 minutes back, all the ministers, four ministers, they went out of Azhagiri's residence, so the meeting is over. And we are now given to understand that some sort of an understanding has been reached, a decision has been made. But what is that decision? Whether the two parties, whether they will break apart, or whether they will reach some sort of an understanding and a compromise will be made, that is the million-dollar question. But however, whatever be the case, as of now, when we spoke to our sources within the DMK, they have been telling us that as of now, the plan is that at 6:30 they will be meeting the Prime Minister to tender the resignation.
All right, Prema, thanks for giving us the latest information.